So I'm gonna pour this into here and then I'm gonna fill the rest with water. And then I got these, which I buy them at the 99-cent store. And I have these ones that I had. And I'm basically gonna cut these up in sizes, like smaller sizes. And then I bag them up and I label them, and I keep one in my purse, I keep one in my car. I wipe down every single thing that I come in contact with. When I have to go to the grocery store, I give one to my husband, a bag to my son, and yeah, that's just what I'm doing. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but so I'm going to show you what I do since I got distracted earlier. Okay, so this, you got your baggies like I showed earlier, and I have all of these. So I'm just going to show you what I do. So basically, just going to cut them, and they're super easy to cut. So you can either have them like this, or for the kids, you can cut them in half. I'm just gonna keep them like this, and then I'll probably just, you know, or actually no, I will like this. And then I'm just gonna cut them right down the middle. So out of one sheet, you're gonna have 6 pieces. So one of these, you're gonna get 6 pieces out of it, 6 wipes. I'm just gonna put them in this and soak them. Whoops. And this makes 24 gallons for 1 quart, and actually probably poured a lot in there, but yeah, because it's a concentrate again, so you're gonna dilute this down. And if you spill like I just did, you're just gonna wipe it up. All right, guys, so now I have these. It comes 6 pieces, but like I said, out of each piece, you'll cut 6. So you can get 36 out of 1 pack. This cost me $1 from the 99-cent store. This I think was like $3 maybe under $3. So yeah, all right. So these are all soaked. You're gonna take your baggie. This one's a large one. I'm making these ones for hubby for work. So you're just gonna take them out, wring them out. You don't want them like totally drenched, but you know, you want them wet enough, and make sure that it's throughout all, which it definitely is. And these ones are a little bit smaller, but it's fine. I love the smell of Lysol. I don't know if anybody else does, but I love it. It makes me feel like clean or something. I don't know. There you go. Got your baggie of your disinfectant wipes for super cheap, and you want to carry this with you. Grocery stores, shopping carts, shopping bags, all that stuff. This one is a smaller baggie, so I'll do smaller ones like this size. And yeah, and you're just gonna, like I said, soak them. And there you go. I got 1, 2, 3, and there's a lot in here. Like, these are full and thick. So guys, some ideas hopefully will help you out.
Such a tart.
Oh my gosh. We're in Costco. We have to try and get dog food. We have double masks. We have our sanitizers. Oh, they have it, yes. Oh, I'm so happy. We got Stella's. I gotta get this on video. I just saw Adrian and Emily. That's hilarious. Look at them. Are you guys serious? Is a tricycle hard to ride?
Kind of.
Not really.
Yes, it is. It goes all fast.
It was hard though.
My dad got this tricycle. It's like an old school tricycle, and we had a wagon. We had a wagon that the girls zip tied on the back, but then the handle broke off. And so Emily would sit right there, and then Harper would sit in
handle on the back?
a wagon. The handle on the wagon broke off. That's why the zip ties are on there.
What?
Yeah, and then Emily would take Harper for a ride around the backyard, and Harper would sit in the wagon. Go. Or you can just hold on like that.
Don't go too fast, Emily.